In the realm of home cleaning, the Lefant M210 stands tall as a technological marvel, offering a seamless blend of efficiency, intelligence, and user-friendly features. This review aims to unravel the unique attributes of the Lefant M210 robotic vacuum cleaner, revealing why it's not just a cleaning appliance but a smart investment for families, especially those with pets. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Small body, big impact. Ever worried about your vacuum navigating under furniture for a thorough clean? The Lefant M210 puts those concerns to rest with its small body design. With an 11 inches diameter and a slim 2.99 inches height, this robotic cleaner effortlessly glides under beds, sofas, and other furniture, ensuring no dust bunny is left untouched. It's not just about cleaning, it's about reaching every corner with ease. Brushless suction for tangle-free cleaning. Bid farewell to the hassle of untangling hair from roller brushes. The Lefant M210 boasts a unique brushless suction port, powered by a robust digital motor. This innovative structure ensures that pet hair and dirt smoothly make their way into the dustbin, leaving no room for entanglements. It's a powerful solution for a hassle-free cleaning experience. Customizable cleaning modes. Your cleaning needs are unique, and so is the Lefant M210. With 6 cleaning modes, including Auto Clean, Spot Clean, Edge Clean, Zigzag Clean, Scheduled Clean, and Manual Clean, this robotic vacuum adapts to your preferences. Switch effortlessly between modes and power levels via the Lefant app, offering a tailored cleaning experience that suits your lifestyle. Smart app and voice control. The Lefant M210 takes convenience to the next level with its smart app and voice control capabilities. Schedule cleanings through the Lefant app, adjusting suction levels, cleaning areas, and more. The real magic happens when you command your robot using Alexa or Google Assistant, turning your home into a voice-controlled haven of cleanliness. Upgraded FreeMove Technology 2.0, equipped with upgraded 6D built-in anti-collision infrared sensors. The Lefant M210 navigates your space with finesse. It detects potential stuck areas, adjusting its cleaning path automatically. No more worrying about your robot getting trapped or causing disruptions. It's intelligent cleaning at its best. Long-life battery for extended cleaning. With lithium iron phosphate batteries, the Lefant M210 ensures an impressive runtime of up to 120 minutes. This robot vacuum goes the extra mile, effortlessly covering your home's cleaning needs. Note that it excels in suction running mode, ensuring a thorough clean without compromising battery life. Warranty and support you can trust. Lefant stands behind its products with a 12-month warranty. If you encounter any issues with your M210 robotic vacuum, rest assured that the Lefant support team is ready to assist. It's not just a purchase, it's a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. In conclusion, the Lefant M210 is not just a vacuum. It's a household companion that brings convenience, intelligence, and efficiency to your cleaning routine. Embrace the future of home cleaning with this revolutionary robot vacuum. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.